This is a square stance.
Well, I don't want to stand like that.
It's okay, but
I know
this
that.
is a square stance. This is a stagger stance. In a stagger stance, you're going to be seeing what is the right leg, where's the left leg is forward. Usually when you have the right leg forward, your right hand is going to be the first one to reach. Usually do this, Usually do this when you're strong with the right hand. So your right hand is strong, that's it. This is most likely in judo, which is what you're going to do. Wrestling and striking is different. Yep, it's very different. And the striking is this, because this is the hand that you want to use as the strong one. Make huge difference, guys, you know? Now, in judo, that's your hand. That's it. This is what you wanted to do. But first you're going to reach out to this one, right?
Yeah. Right.
That's it. The same thing. Yeah.
So
For now, right now, this is what we're doing it. You're going to reach out with this hand. I'm pushing. And lock it. Yeah, or do this. Because he was in a different stance.
Okay.
Try to reach out to this. Reach out to me. Just that. Or hold the fingers, which happens a lot. I want to try to reach out.
Oh, because you want this hand.
Yeah, I want this
I
hand.
see it. But if
Because we're in the same stance. We're in the same stance.
Right.
That's it. That means that you use the right hand, I'm using the right hand.
Right.
I want to try to reach out to this exactly. Yep.
But if I'm here,
If I'm there,
okay.
you want to try to use this hand.
I see. So I want here
That's
and
it.
then here.
Because you're in a different stance.
Ah, I see.
That's the
Thank
stance.
you.
So the first thing you pay attention is what kind of stance he is. It makes a huge difference that you can look. Let's say she is with this stance. To use my legs is easier. For example, if I reach out to here, if I just do this, look, it's much easier than if she's in a different stance. I know. I don't want to blow up, but this is why we start with the grip. This is why we started with the stance. See that? She's in the same stance as me. What that means? It means that this hand here is going to be very, yes. See, if you try to reach out to this, it's just so much easier for me. It's just so much easier for everything. So
Because there's so much space over there.
she usually uses this hand to reach out. This is what usually goes. So when she's far away from me, is like, okay, what kind of stance she is? All right, she's in
Because
the
then you
same
know
stance
what
as me.
arm she's going to be.
Exactly. Exactly. Most likely, no, switch your stance. Okay, that means that she's going to attack with this hand more properly. And there's the takedowns that I've been doing from here. That I can do it, I can attack much more. But before, what kind of stance it is? Now, find out the stance to identify what kind of hand she's going to use it. Most likely, because there's a lot of people that trick you in it, but most likely this, right? So the first exercise, the stance, you see the different stance. What that means? This hand is going to use it. Switch your stance. There you go. And if I can reach out here, guys, and he does not have it, that means I'm one step ahead of everything. From here, if I just move it, he doesn't have anything. Now I'm controlling. I'm way ahead of the game because I have grips he doesn't. Even if he holds it here, he doesn't have anything. But if he's here, now we're equal. And the first thing that I observe is, okay, what kind of stance he is, what kind of hand he's going to use it. From there, we're going to identify the footwork too. To go for takedowns. Let the grip first. Let's go. The hand part. Hook.